I'm Dr. Emil Charrington, and via the University of Alabama and Huntsville's cooperative agreement with NASA, I'm an Earth scientist supporting NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. In that role, I serve as the Regional Science Coordination Lead for West Africa for SERVIR, a joint partnership between NASA and the U.S. Agency for International Development. In that role, I also support land cover monitoring across SERVIR's 5 focus regions in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. I feel really privileged to work for a program like SERVIR, which is meaningfully building capacity of countries to use Earth observation data from NASA as well as other space agencies, as well as supporting their resilience. I feel that it's important to celebrate Black History Month, as well as to celebrate and value diversity because representation matters, and it's important for individuals of all backgrounds at NASA to feel like their contributions are valued. For me, the theme, Together We Achieve, really could be the theme for any month, and it transcends ethnicity, it transcends color, and it speaks really about what it is we can accomplish when we work together. And furthermore, I find it really reminiscent of E pluribus unum, out of many, one.